Welcome you all to Krishnavik channel. Today we will see how can you practice Linux on Windows without installing Linux directly through a method called Windows Subsystem for Linux or WSL in a very easy way step by step. We are using here Windows 11, but if you're using Windows 10, process is same. Click on Start button. Open Control panel. Click on Programs. In the section of Programs and Features, click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Scroll down and select the checkbox beside Windows Subsystem for Linux. Click on OK. It is starting initialize the changes. Process has been completed. Click on Restart. System updating to implement the requested changes. Now, you need to open Microsoft Store. If you can't find it on the taskbar or Start menu, then type its name in the search area. Click on Microsoft Store icon. I have checked this application before shoot this part of video. That is why it is showing the list from history. You can choose from different Linux distributions available on the Microsoft Store. Ubuntu is a popular choice for beginners, and we are going to install here Ubuntu, so select or type Ubuntu. All free versions Ubuntu Linux is available here. Select which version you want to install. Let's suppose you choose Ubuntu to 2.04.2 LTS version. Click on Get button. Started downloading. First one showing owned, because for testing purpose I have installed and then uninstalled it. Click on Open button. The first time you run it, it will set up your Linux environment. Create a user and set a password. Run the following commands to update the package list. Type the password which you have just created for that user. Type the following commands to upgrade installed packages in same way. Done. Now, you can practice your Linux commands here, such as to listing the files and directories in the current directory, or creating a directory by this command. By the following command you can see the content of the root directory. We just created this directory. Let's get into the following directory through this command. Create a file by touch command. Check the content of the present directory. Type the following command to edit this file. Press I or insert key to enable the editing. Type any text or script, whatever you want. Type :WQ to save the file and exit. By the following command you can display the content of a file. Type this command to display the host name. You can back one step in the previous directory by this command. You can see the kernel name through this command. To get the kernel release, type the following command. To check the kernel version, use this command. Type exit to close the terminal. At the time of install Windows Subsystem for Linux, if you face any issue or want to install it in CLI or command line interface mode, then click on Start button. Run Windows PowerShell as administrator. Paste the following command line. You can find this command line in this video description. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to future updates. Your support is greatly appreciated.